Bonjour! Aujourd'hui, on va commencer avec leçon 2, Après le bac. So today we are back again with another video of Culture and Civilization lesson number 2. So I hope that you are ready with your notebook. It is very important to note down the important words so that you understand better. Let's start. Première question. Quels sont les différents niveaux du système d'éducation en France? So which are the different education system levels in France? So if you see the first one, that's l'école maternelle, that is kindergarten, okay? So from that, the child remains in school from 2 to 6 years. Then comes l'école primaire, primary school. What is the age group of primary students? 6 to 11 years. Then we have collège. Collège is till class 10th level, so 11 à 15 ans, 11 to 15 years. And then we have the last level, which is lycée. And in lycée, the child remains from 15 to 18 years. In the bracket, what I have written, you can leave that. But these are the levels. So, école maternelle, école primaire, collège and lycée. So, let's move on to the next question. Où obtient-on le bac? So, bac word is also famous as baccalaureate. What is it? Where do we obtain? Obtient is the verb obtenir. You can keep writing obtenir. Conjugated just like tanir or vanir, same category, means to obtain. So where do we obtain baccalaureate? Where have I written this? I've written it in this category. So we obtain the baccalaureate dans un lycée, and lycée is also an exception, ending with e but masculine, dans un lycée. Next one, quel cours suit-on dans un IUT? Which classes do we follow in an IUT? On suit des cours de technology. So IUT is just like an engineering college. The full form of IUT is Institut Universitaire de Technologie. So which classes do we follow? The technology classes, engineering classes, okay? Next one, qu'est-ce que le brevet? Now brevet I've written here. So it is very simple. Class 10th in France, they receive the diploma which is known as brevet. And in class 12th, they receive the diploma which is known as baccalaureate or bac. So what is brevet? Le brevet est le diplôme délivré. Le brevet est le diplôme délivré. It's the diploma delivered par l'État, by the state, dans un collège. So collège is also an exception, ending with e but masculine. It's a diploma that is delivered by the state in a collège. Okay. Quel est le diplôme délivré dans un lycée? So now they're asking the questions vice versa. Sometimes they ask you this way and sometimes they ask you this way. Which is the diploma delivered in a lycée? So now you know what's the answer. Le baccalauréat. Le diplôme délivré dans un lycée est le baccalauréat. Next one, quel exam passe-t-on pour entrer dans une université? So in university, when you enter, you will be, you can only enter after class 12. So which diploma do you have to clear? The diplôme de baccalauréat. The baccalaureate est l'examen, it's the exam that we pass for entering in a university. Question 7. Jusqu'à quel âge l'enseignement en France est-il gratuit et obligatoire? Till what age the education in France is free and compulsory? The age is 16 years and in India it is 14. Next one, à quel âge les élèves sont-ils au école maternelle? So I've written, now they're asking the ages. So here it's de à 6 ans. École primaire, 6 à 11 ans. Collège, 11 à 15 ans. Lycée, 15 à 18 ans. En quelle classe entre-t-on au collège en France? Which is the class in which we enter in collège en France. Entre en 6e. We are in class 6th. Quel diplôme peut-on avoir quand on termine les études au collège? So which diploma do we get? Again and again, they're kind of asking you the same, questions. So which diploma do you obtain? Le brevet. À quel âge inscrit-on un enfant à l'école? At what age a child takes admission in a school? What's the starting age? 2 ans. On inscrit un enfant à l'âge de 2 ans. Next one. Quel diplôme obtient-on à la fin des études secondaires en Inde? But this was all about France. So in India, which diploma do we obtain? Diplôme de CBSE or ICSE. So les diplômes qu'on obtient à la fin des études secondaires. So these are the diplomas that we get in India. Est-ce le système éducatif de l'Inde similaire à celui de la France? Non, le système éducatif de l'Inde est différent de celui de France. Both the education systems are different, they're not same. Quand peut-on s'inscrire à la University of France? When can we take admission in the university? When can you take admission? Once you've completed the lycée. On peut s'inscrire à la université après les études au lycée général ou lycée professionnel. It's also known as lycée général ou lycée professionnel. So once we complete lycée, we enter in the university. Qu'est-ce IUT? So earlier it was only the full form, and which classes do we take in IUT? Now what is IUT? IUT est l'Institut Université de Technologie où on peut faire son enseignement supérieur, where one can complete their higher studies in engineering. Okay, so it's just like IIT in India. Qu'est-ce terminal L et terminal S? So terminal L and terminal S, these are basically the sections. Terminal L est la filière littéraire. It's the literature section. And terminal S est la filière scientifique. That's the science section. Next question, que savez-vous du CRU? This is very important. CRU. First of all, you should know the full form of CRU. Centre Régional des Œuvres Universitaires Scolaires. Okay, so Centre Régional des Œuvres Universitaires et Scolaires. I'll also write it down. Centre Régional des Œuvres Universitaires et Scolaires. So it's basically an organization. It's an établissement public. It's basically a public enterprise, a caractère administratif, which has administrative character and which has the mission of favoring the improvement of conditions of life and of work of the students. Kind of a company which helps the students to improve their life in terms of their work. Next question, we have practice questions. I told you in my earlier video also, practice questions are very, very important. The answers are generally given at the back and together, so you should prepare the practice questions also. So, qu'est-ce que la Sorbonne? La Sorbonne, we have already heard this word before. La Sorbonne est la plus ancienne université de Paris. It's the most ancient university of Paris, created by Robert de Sorbonne. Next one, quelle matière étudiez-vous? Matière? What is matière? Subjects. So, matière is a word. Matière. Which subjects do you study? So you can write any subjects. J'étudie les mathématiques, l'anglais, la science, le français, le hindi, la sociologie, any subject you can write. Est-ce les études secondaires en Inde coûtent cher? Does it cost expensive? So we have a verb coûter. You can keep writing in your notebook. Coûter is to cost. Does it cost expensive? No, les études secondaires ne coûtent pas cher. No, they're not expensive. Sauf les écoles privées, except the private schools. Faut-il, next question, faut-il dépendre entièrement de tes parents pour les études à la université? Que peut-on faire? Is it necessary to depend on your parents for the studies in university? If no, what can you do? So, no, on peut avoir. We can also have some bourse. Bourse, we can also have some scholarship. Scholarship from government and the plus, moreover, on peut trouver des emplois à mi-temps. We can also find part-time jobs. La dernière question, last question. Nommez quelques petits emplois qu'on peut faire. Name some small jobs that you can do. On peut faire du babysitting, we can do babysitting, ou laver la voiture, wash the car, ou travailler dans un supermarché or work in a supermarket. You can write something else also because it's a personalized question. So I hope this lesson is clear. Keep learning the culture and civilization well in advance because it is very scoring. That is why I am covering all the lessons of culture and civilization first. Good luck. Keep revising. Au revoir.